Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Arles, France, and I'm going to go see the arena and the theater and maybe some other things. But I'm going to do a walk that's going to take you from the main gate, which is right here, the main entry right off the train station, to the theater. Let's go do it together. Here we go. So there's two of these. There's two huge columns and towers. You can see them. And then the walls go each way, but the train station is like literally right down there. And so I'm gonna walk from these two towers to the arena, Coliseum, whatever we're gonna call it today. But and it says Coliseum, but somebody said arena, so I'm gonna call it a Coliseum. Oh, well, no. So it says, oh, maybe that's Coliseum, a restaurant, but it does say Arles Arena. So, whatever. Okay, it's a little confusing, but this is the town of Arles. You're going to get to walk right through the little town. And they got great art up there. And a fountain. How cool is that? And is that a mosaic? That is a mosaic. So you can see the little tiles in it. You know what I mean? Huh. But there's I don't know, I'd say 10 or 15 different tours taking place. And so, interesting. Do they have their head up their butt or something? Okay, I'm just going to skip that. But this is Arles. It is a 16-minute train ride from Avignon, about 20 miles. Somebody told me once that all the cities were so close so that they could be a horse's ride away. So, they could always get from one town to the next town by horse. So I think I'm going to get in front of these people. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Merci. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Thank you. They have earphones in, so they can't hear anything. So you can see how close this is, because that's the arena right there in front of us. And you can see the little town. I mean, what is this? Maybe if it's a quarter of a mile, I'd be surprised. But it's pretty. Huh. And the arena is famous just because it's still used today. And so they do shows and exhibitions and concerts and all sorts of stuff in here. And I hope there's nothing going on so that I can get in, but I guess we're going to find out, huh? Wow. And it's still really very much intact, which is really cool. But this is the walk, so you can see what the little town looks like. It's just a cute little town, very small. And that's where I'm going to end this video. How quick is that? So it's a 4-minute walk, and that's with people slowing me down. Wow, that's amazing, huh? Okay, bye everybody.